Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to allow camera access to Instagram on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. The first thing that we have to do, enable Instagram access on camera. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap privacy and tap camera and enable camera for Instagram. The second thing that we have to do, enable camera access on Instagram. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and find Instagram, tap on Instagram and turn on the camera for Instagram. The third thing that we have to do, enable camera access on screen time. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap screen time, scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions, enable content and privacy restriction, tap on it, then tap allow apps and enable camera. The fourth thing that we have to do, enable photo access. For that we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap privacy, tap on photos and tap Instagram and select read and write. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.